Open your eyes. Since a lot of you guys tell us that we're an ugly couple, what better way to agree with you guys than to make some ugly
Christmas sweaters. So we're just gonna start and literally make each other on our sweaters, and we're gonna wear them.
So we got this border here, so you can't.
So you ain't copy me. All right, let's begin.
All right, let's go, man. I'm already done. I already know what I'm gonna do.
Wow, I need more space for your head.
I know you ain't talking about a big head. I'm afraid when I make your head, it's gonna look like an egg. Just
look at me real quick. I need to see a face shake. Oh yeah, you look
yeah.
like an upside down acorn.
Oh, you want to take this time to roast me? You gave me the bad scissors, by the way. Like,
those are from Michael's. Mine are from the dollar store.
this is definitely the wrong scissors for this. Right.
So Matt, what do you want for Christmas this year?
What are you trying to start conversation? Don't talk to me. This is war. This ain't gonna go well for me, cause these scissors ain't good at all.
You sound like you're struggling over there, Matt.
I am, cause the scissors don't want to cut. Oh my goodness! This
Still cutting.
This thing does not want to cut.
You still cutting.
I'm getting frustrated. And these scissors is trash. Yo, we gotta have some more scissors somewhere, man.
It's getting real hot in here.
So I didn't take off all your clothes. You know what? I'm still not.
Here.
Don't aim like that. Yo, if this cut really well, I'm gonna be mad.
We'll change. You're just a bad cutter.
Wow.
No.
Wow. I'm cutting through this so easy. Finally. And actually, I'm really happy with my head right now. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Oh, it's getting hot. I'm shaking off my sweater. Don't look!
I'm not looking.
Yes, you are.
I'm not looking.
No, you smile.
I did.
You look.
I did. What the heck are you doing? Don't worry about what I got.
Can't even cut yarn that well.
Yeah.
These are terrible! Buddy, these scissors don't work!
Yep, now you know how I feel. Talk about something. You still over there cutting.
I thought you were exaggerating. These do not cut well at all.
I'm over here cutting great.
Yeah, I hear it.
Alright, so what's next? What do we want to talk about?
Here's a table topic for you. Sorry.
What is your problem?
What's the habit you're proudest of breaking?
I guess leaving a toilet seat.
You still do that every day.
You never walked in and had to put the toilet seat thing down.
Always.
No, you not. You reaching now.
Well, you know what my worst habit that I've finally broken I'm really proud of?
What?
I used to eat like uncooked grains of rice.
Ew. No, you didn't.
I used to put them in my mouth.
No, you didn't.
I swear.
That ain't true, yo.
It's true. And you know what? This is actually a true fact too. When I was younger, I did the same thing, but with money. I did it with coins.
Hey, yo, you nasty.
What's your favorite way to exercise?
On the couch. Hopefully trying to make some Matthew Juniors. Yeah, that's a good one. Alright, I'm really excited to see what you made of me.
Yeah, actually, I'm a little bit worried that's gonna be too good to be an ugly sweater.
Look at me.
This cheating.
Alright.
You only get 2 more looks.
Yo, I know I saw some yarn here and the little brown sticks. Where they at? You ain't give me the little brown stick stuff. What you mean, Where's the little brown stick?
I'll give it to you, and they're not called brown sticks, they're called pipe cleaners.
Thank you.
Has your love grown for me since we've been married? Oh my gosh, I'm literally gonna like win.
Why are you so confident?
Why are you laughing?
I got an idea. I have an idea. Girl.
Can you do vibrato?
Sound like a dang ghost. clothes. I'm actually proud of my creation. I think you're gonna be impressed too. Cause you be like, Maddie! Maddie!
I don't talk like that!
Come on, man. What you trying to mess me up?
No, that's part of my creation. Look at me. Like, smile like this.
That's all you get.
No!
You should know what I look like.
Why you got all materials over there? Give me them pom-poms.
What?
No! Red pom-pom, shake a pom-pom, shake a pom-pom, yeah.
I gotta straighten this out. I'm at the final stretch.
Me too.
Just 2 more letters and I'm done.
What are you writing? Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious?
And the last letter is... Oh no. Oh. Woo!
Yo, this is like too legit. I have to sell this, like right now. Oh!
Alright, so we finished doing our ugly sweaters. I'll go first because I feel confident right out the gate.
No, I'm confident mine's gonna be better.
Alright, well close your eyes. And it's time to reveal what I made. Is it still recording?
Mm-hmm. Oh,
Alright.
anticipation.
And open your eyes. Let's go.
What? What in the...
Cause you be like, Maddie! Maddie!
I don't talk like that. Maddie! Maddie!
Yeah.
Turn around. Let me see. Not an ugly sweater.
Oh my. It says, not an ugly sweater.
What the heck?
Not an ugly sweater because my wife is beautiful. Yeah.
I can't. I don't even know. I have no words. Oh, that's so sweet. But
Yep, got your hair. We got the line for the eyes. Added some little texture for the hair.
I'm like in shock.
Got your tongue sticking out, you know what I'm saying?
I'm really impressed. This is really sweet. Wow. Like if this actually didn't have any of this glue stuff, this would like be legit. Like I would buy this.
So this is
wow, I can't even hate. This is really good.
Yeah, see? Yo, what's up?
I don't look like that though.
Yeah.
Wait, but why is my hair in the middle of my forehead?
Alright. What you got playing,
I
girl?
don't think you're ready.
Alright, I'm closing my eyes.
Oh yeah. Close the eyes.
Alright.
And open.
Yo, what the heck? Ew! Gas squad? Really? I don't have bows on my hair, yo.
This seriously, I would buy it.
That look nothing like me.
Yes, it does. Just because you got your hair changed today. You always wear the headbands. You got red nose. You got buck teeth. Let's see. Who did a better job?
Yo.
Okay, why I gotta make that face expression on yours?
I look like a chocolate cupcake.
I love it.
I do like the Gap Squad. But my Gap. Word. Yo, you did me dirty, yo.
What? This is amazing.
At least I made realistic eyes.
What? All right, everyone. You vote in the comments who did better.
I hope y'all have a Merry Christmas. Have fun with your families. Don't judge based off of the gifts you get.
And don't surprise your family members by putting them on your ugly sweater because they might get offended.
Although I think I can make some bread off of this one.
I think I make bread off of this one too. I think we could actually make a business out of this. I'm actually really impressed.
Thank you. I got the slice.
I got the rice. Ha 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 ha. Whoosh.